In this video, we're going to learn about the abs method in the math class. The abs method calculates the absolute value of a number. You can see on the quick reference that there are actually two different versions of the abs method. One accepts an int as a parameter and returns an int. The other accepts a double as a parameter and returns a double. So the data type of your input determines the data type that is returned. Remember, both these are static, just like every single method in the math class. So we're going to look at an example now of how to use these. So the first one we're going to try out is the one that accepts an integer as a parameter. So Math.abs, -2. That should return 2, since 2 is the absolute value of -2. And when we print it out, you can see over here that it does print 2. Then we'll try out the version that accepts a double and returns a double. So Math.abs, passing it 3.4 as a parameter. That should return 3.4 and set y to 3.4. And when we print it out, we can see that in fact it does.